Hi you guys, it's the Blonde Bombshell Blondie Lockhart back with another beauty video for you guys. So I received the Kat Von D beauty box from Influenster. I love getting Kat Von D products from Influenster. They always send me some hot products. Into the box, how cute. Focus. There we go. And all the different colors. Says to each their own brow. Get these brows together. And the color I got, I got it in medium brown. I am not sure if this is going to be too dark for me, but okay, so let's talk about the product. What it is, a long wear waterproof brow pomade that delivers bold brows. And for those of you who don't already know, it is vegan and cruelty free. All of Kat Von D's products are. Cat love the animals. Okay, brow. That's a brow. That's a wow brow right there. God damn it, Kat. Oh, girl. Did that? Had a moment. Okay, let's do the other side. Now this is how I brow. You guys let me know what you think of this look in the comments below. Also make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have more videos coming soon. Make sure that you follow me all over social media at Blondie's Lipstick. And for all things Blondies, head to blondieslipstick.com. Until next time, mwah!